Welcome to Pigeon River Farm, doing farming right. I'm Robert Brown, the owner of Pigeon River Farm. Thank you for viewing. Good evening. In tonight's episode, we're going to talk about checking up on the horses. Horses' health. We board a number of horses here, and they need to be checked on numerous times per day. And this is the busy time. I'm haying, I'm working up ground, we're building a big high tunnel. I've got 1,000 things going, managing the cattle, managing the chickens. So the drone has been invaluable, again, as a time saver. I need to go out and make sure the horses are looking healthy, they're eating, everything's going good, I guess we'd say it that way. So the drone is phenomenal. I can actually take it out. I do a wellness check on the horses at least once a day, where I fly it in close, check, see how they're doing. And speaking of how they're doing, if you observe and know much about horses, these horses are incredibly healthy. Some already got a few years on them, but our high-grade pastures, we put the best minerals, the best biologicals, organic biologicals you can possibly imagine on their pasture. And it not only benefit our cattle, and our cattle do really well, they size correctly, they score very good. But the horses also prosper from the same environment. You got to remember that the horses, actually, some of these horses that are here came from another pasture where they were just, it looked green, but no micronutrients. There was nothing in that. It was just basically a wore out pasture. And they were a little skinny. There was nothing wrong with them. They were not getting the right nutrients. So when I'm examining the horses, I'm making sure, looking at how they're eating. If the horse is aggressively eating, body condition looks good, that tells you that their teeth are in fine shape. Odds are we're not finding any parasite problems. And the drone gives me the ability to fly in close. And what I find is critical is to sit and hover for a period of time and actually observe the horse's characteristics. What are they doing? Are any of them looking a little odd? Is there any kind of stress? So that's one of the advantages. So if you have a drone, you got to get the horses used to it. There's a little bit of a challenge initially. They don't like a loud buzzing sound above them. But after a day or two of practice and gentle introduction, it works really good. So high recommendation by me to consider, if you are raising horses, to utilize a drone and use it real regularly. It's a great tool here for us, and hopefully it is for you. So I thank you and have a most wonderful evening.